Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Gaggia Brera espresso machine. It comes to us like not working at all. It was like didn't make no. It used to get hot water, but no espresso coming out because it was clogged from many spots. So it was needs tune up and replace some gaskets, replace some small parts inside, and replace a gasket on the water tank because it used to leak from that gasket. So let's go ahead and test it and make a cup of coffee in it. It looks nice shot with the creamer. And let's see the steamer and hot water. It needs a bit to work. It works fine. So all the functions works. Thank you for watching.